Hello, and today we are going to study present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. No panic, okay? It's continuous, is a little bit different of present perfect, but the idea keeps the same. An action that began in past, continues in present, and go on in future. There is just one little difference, okay? The most used verb tense between the two is present perfect. Present perfect continuous is in very specific cases. Two cases basically, okay? So first of all, let's understand the structure, okay? Auxiliaries have or has, plus been, plus verb, plus ing in the verb, okay? An example. She has been living in this house for all her life. Basically, what we have here in this sentence is the idea of continuously, non-stop. The idea of present perfect tense is to emphasize an action that hasn't stopped. It's continuously. So that's why the person prefers to use present perfect continuous in this sentence. The person wants you to understand that she has been living in this house all her life. It's more intense. If I don't want to be so intense, I have lived all my life in this house, okay? But I have been living in this house all my life. A little bit of drama here, okay? Okay, let's try to understand. It's used to emphasize how long, this is very important, students, how long an action has been happening, okay? So not only present perfect continuous indicate that the action is non-stop, but also emphasize how long it's been going on. So it's very, very common to use time expressions for all her life, recently, lately, since I was born, okay? You give this idea of how long, okay? For some of my students, it's pretty common, I ask it, come on, how long have you studied English? And the student says, teacher, I have been studying English since I was born. It never stops, okay? I have been learning grammar topic after grammar topic all my life, okay? Present perfect continuous has been getting more and more difficult lately. My students are very positive, okay? Okay. But students, it's easy. Come on. An example of emphasize how long, okay? So let's suppose we are in the raining season in São Paulo, and it's pretty common that on TV a reporter is going to say this sentence: it has been raining in São Paulo for over 24 hours. Okay, first of all, we understand rained in past, rains now, and will continue rain until the action stops, okay? It has been raining non-stop. So it's emphasizing from past until now. In São Paulo for over 24 hours. So that means the next news the report is going to say is São Paulo is completely flooded. Okay, Tietê River has flooded the Riverside Drive, the Marginal, you know. Where we live, we have a few streets flooded. Subway has stopped temporarily. You know, drama. Okay, it's common in a big city like ours. Okay, so auxiliary has plus been plus verb with ing and emphasizes, see, for over 24 hours. Okay, the second, it's used to give excuses or explain the moment, okay, or to, I'm going to write, no, it's okay, to give excuses or to explain the moment. Let me put the two here so you will understand it's infinitive. Okay, let me explain better this. To give excuses, it's 8 o'clock, the class begins, and after 10 minutes somebody knocks at the classroom door and say, "May I come in, teacher?" And the student is like this, breathless, and they say, "Hey, what has happened? What has happened?" And the student is going to give me an excuse or is going to give me an explanation of that moment. Why is the student breathless? "I'm sorry, teacher, I'm late. I have been running to get here on time." Okay, so the example I'm going to write here. So the student's giving me an explanation and at the same time an excuse, right? So the student is going to say, remember, teacher asks, "Hey, why are you so breathless?" Okay, I've been running to get here on time. Okay, so it's either an excuse or an explanation of the moment. Okay, I have a video call, and when I look at the person on my video call, the person is sweating a lot, and I ask, "What's going on? Why are you sweating?" And the person will give me an explanation. "Oh, never mind. I've been jogging before I answered your video call." So the person was jogging, so it's explaining why the person is all sweat. Okay, so he's been jogging before answering my video call. Okay, so present perfect continuous is the auxiliary have or has plus been plus ing in the next sentence. In these two situations, they are giving excuses or explaining a situation of the moment. The situation why the student was breathless at the door and why this person was all sweat when answered my video call. Okay, basically that's it about present perfect continuous. So don't go around using only present perfect continuous because it is more to emphasize. Okay, keep on using present perfect, and in specific moments you go for present perfect continuous. Okay, so that was not too hard, was it? Do not answer that question.